Brayden Chacon. I graduated from Green Country Cosmetology program. I started cutting hair at home about 14, 15 years old. Decided I kind of could pursue it as a career. As a high school student, they provide everything that you need to be able to go in there and learn and do what you gotta do. You have everything at your fingertips, anything you could think of in there. It definitely helped me go in there and be more free with my creativity and learn stuff that I've never done that would help me make more money with my hands. I'd say you gotta go in there and be determined and hustle and really be willing to learn and be a sponge and soak up all the information that you can, because you gotta have determination, or else it's just, you're not gonna succeed. Go do welding, something, man. Go get your free education, bro. They hand it to you. My name is Breezy, and this is my success story.